The story goes, the story goes, woman with child and a man with no room, born in a manger, foretelling it too. This is how the story goes, but it's more than a fable, and it's more than a fairy tale, and more than my mind can conceive. I believe the wise men saw the baby born, the angels called the Son of God, heaven's child, the great I am, born to take away my sin through nail-pierced hands. Emmanuel has come. I believe. 2,000 years, still the story lives on. God's gift to us, sent to earth, wrapped in flesh, His only Son, His only Son. And the heartbeat of heaven confounded our wisdom, but it's still the simple truth that sets me free. I believe the wise men saw the baby born, the angels called the Son of God, heaven's child, the great I am, born to take away my sin through nail-pierced hands. Emmanuel has come, and I believe. Precious child, how can it be that God's great plan for His story would send you to the lonely tree, that you would come for one like me? I believe in a cross. I believe He came for one, He came for all. Heaven's child became a man, gave His life for me in spite of all. I believe. Christmas lives in me. I believe.
Put on things for my